Looking for a Georgia gem? Check out this 2018 Toyota RAV4 XLE with only 32,000 miles and a clean Carfax. It's a rare find. With a solid dealer service history and current Georgia state emissions, this RAV4 is road ready and waiting for its next adventure. This dealer certified pre-owned RV4 is backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles, and you can even upgrade the warranty at a discounted rate at the time of sale. Plus, you have the option to add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price in addition to the advertised price. We know buying a car is a big decision, which is why we offer this RAV4 as part of our certified pre-owned program, ensuring you get quality and peace of mind. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO warranty and 5-year service plan. As always, we encourage a pre-purchase inspection. Contact us today to schedule your test drive. This RV4 won't last long.